and the purpose of this new template is to help you create 3D NFT card animation easier and faster. Let's see what you can do with my new template practically. First important thing is replacing the black images. So from my 100 cards designs, I choose one for the front and the same for the back side. By the way, this template includes also my bonus mockups with 25 styles of trading cards, not only for Photoshop but also for Affinity Photo. So you can quickly change the textures and the text template written on the product. Okay, once we added the card images, it's time to experiment with backgrounds. There are many possibilities, from solid colors to images or even videos. All three options are available in this template. The colors and materials are also fully customizable, so it's possible to transform this simple template into something really outstanding. All depends, of course, on your preferences. But as always, the colors are not the end. There are also lights, which can be modified, creating an extremely unique vibe. This card without lights looks minimalistic. However, if you add more lights, for example here, green and red, it looks pretty nice. This template is available in 4 formats: Blend, OBJ, FBX, GLT. So you can use this 3D model in any 3D software and create your own NFT collectible card. Easy and fast, because you don't have to waste too much energy for the boring steps of modeling, lighting or animating. Everything is ready. If you like to gain some time in making your own NFT card animation and use this template, feel free to contact me. I can also help you customize it based on your expectations. Links are in the description below. See you in the next video.